Today we're going to be reviewing this vacuum. I bought it on Amazon for 90 bucks, I believe. I'm going to attempt to clean my dirty car seats. I'm actually boiling some water to put it into one of the water containers on here. It doesn't say to boil it, but I want it to be extra hot so it can kind of remove the tough stains in the car. Okay, so this is everything that the package came with. Not the remote though. Little sample size cleaner. It feels pretty good quality. Little brush on the end. Comes with these little clips. I think you install one here. Sorry guys. Oh yeah, maybe it's like this. This is just for the hose. So you install one in the front, and then you install the other in the back. So I guess once you wrap the hose around it, you could just click it in for storage. So I did not boil that water all the way. I just made it really hot because when I felt this little tank, it feels durable, but the plastic's pretty thick, but not that thick. So I didn't want to melt it or mess up the shape. So I'll fill this with water, the solution tank. I'll add, it should say on the back how much to add to it. 3 ounces per gallon of hot water. I don't doubt that's a gallon. So yeah, it'll be definitely less than that. That's the solution side, so once the water gets dirty, you can just dump it out. Okay, so I have the hot water in there. These seats got very dirty over time. Summertime, eating food. So I'll try to do like half the seat so you guys can tell the difference. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with the camera. Maybe? Okay, so there's a little trigger down there for the water. You can see all the dirt coming up. So this is my progress overall. It does look cleaner. Obviously this side is still dirty. This side definitely looks cleaner. I think it would be a lot more cleaner if I added more solution. I only added just a little bit because I didn't want to mess up these seats, so I took extra precaution, but I think I can definitely add some more and it'll come much cleaner. They are still pretty moist. I'm giving it a good amount of pressure to get the water out, but it does feel like it's a little bit moist. So on a regular carpet, it'll probably work better. But I think it's worth the 80 bucks. I'm gonna do those carpets soon. But I'll try to attach a picture after this to show how the interior came out. Okay, this is what I ended up with. Some of it. I dumped some of it before. Bunch of doo-doo water. But the seats do look cleaner, much cleaner than they were. I mean, for 80 bucks, like I said, it's definitely worth it. I'm gonna just put some leather treatment on the leather parts, and that's about it. Thank you for watching.